So what's going on, everybody? Adam Neely with Build Gild and Refine TV, coming back at you with another episode. So we're over here on a beautiful day, Chatter.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
74 and sunny.
It is 74 and sunny. 74 and sunny. This is perfect, and it's dry. It's nice and dry, so it's the perfect day to be spraying cabinets outside.
Exterior work.
Exterior work. Interior work, exterior. Interior work outside.
Exteriorized.
Exterior.
Ah!
Oh, it's a perfect day for exteriorized work.
Nice, huh?
We've had a lot of inquiries about spraying cabinet doors. Now, here's something exciting, guys. You're going to find out soon from the video we shot this morning that I just made the switch from the Graco 9.5 HVLP system over to the Titan Capspray 115, and I am loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. I think this is like, I'm upset that we didn't make this switch earlier, but live and learn. This is a great machine, but I will say there are some things about it that you really have to know what you're doing so that it doesn't get away from you, so that your finish doesn't orange peel or drip or have runs everywhere. So you have to stay on this machine a little more than you did with the Graco HVLP 9.5. Okay, that being said, today we're going to answer the question as how do you actually approach spraying a door with a raised panel or an inlaid panel, whatever you want to call it. People call it different things. So I'm going to pretend that I put my respirator on and pretend that I put my glasses on. We're going to turn our sprayer on. Our test panel. Good, I got a good test panel. The first thing I do is approach the top edge at an angle like this, okay? At a catty corner, 90-degree type angle. Not straight up top, not straight on the front. At an angle like this. Okay? So it overlaps my angle. And if you get any of those little air pops in there, just quickly hit that spot up and go back down. Okay, so I got two edges done. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom and hit my lower edge and overlap that a little more. Now I have my front panel ready to paint. I don't want to hit too much more on the corners because I already hit that. And if you notice, I'm starting beyond my starting point and going past my ending point. And that's when I start spraying and end spraying so that I'm not starting and stopping on my material, okay? I did my edge perimeter. Now I'm gonna do my inlays first, my side inlays. One. Two, we're going beyond. Now I'm going to hit my center panel. With a nice 50% overlap, okay? So if I'm spraying here, my next spray will be 50% and 50%. 50% overlap, 50% fresh. Now I'm going to hit my side. Front is done. Now I'm going to spin it, hit the top again. Now one thing I like about the Titan Capspray is you can actually rotate your siphon tube. So the tube that feeds the paint upward is in there on an angle. And if you're hitting a different angle and you don't have paint up here anymore, you can rotate the tube so that you find paint. Now quickly, the other thing I'm going to tell you is you always want to keep your gun perpendicular to your spray material. You never want to end up on a fan angle like this. You always want to run perpendicular all the way down, all the way up, so that you're getting an even amount of paint sprayed on your material throughout your entire stroke. Okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how we approach spraying a panel. I think that's it. We'll make this one quick because we've got a lot of videos coming today, and Chatter's mixing me up some fresh
and tan.
over there. Fresh emerald. Okay? Emerald. Trim urethane by Sherwin-Williams. Love it. Use it. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.